Hello, my name is Rebecca Richards and I'm the Director of the NHS Wales Finance Academy. And I started my career many years ago as an A-level entrant to a finance training scheme here in NHS Wales that offered me the opportunity to study for my professional qualification whilst also picking up experience working through many parts of a finance department. And upon successful completion of the scheme, I was able to apply for many roles across South Wales in the NHS, culminating in being appointed to Finance Director across 2 different organisations for over 15 years. And here I am today as the Director of the NHS Wales Finance Academy, proudly offering this similar scheme to one that I joined many years ago. I've had a fantastic career. I've worked with some amazing clinicians and managers who've had a real drive and passion to make improvement for patients and the population of Wales. And I've even been lucky enough to be able to showcase some of that work on the international stage. I really believe that the scheme that I joined all those years ago gave me a really strong foundation and confidence to be able to contribute to the success of some of the programs I've been involved in. So if you are interested in picking up a career that will allow you to use your finance skills to make a real difference to the patients and the populations of Wales, then I really recommend this scheme to you.